Hello students, welcome to Excellence Classes Way of Learning. Today we discuss the transpose of matrix, symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Let's see the transpose of a matrix. सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे transpose of matrix. Let's see what is a transpose of matrix. If we have a matrix A equals Aij order m into n, then the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of A is called transpose of A. Is called the transpose of A. Okay, when we interchange the rows and columns of A, then we get the transpose of A. It is denoted by A dash or A T, transpose of A. Okay. For example, let's see, we have a matrix A equals 2, 3, 4, 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. Okay. Now interchange the rows and columns, then we have A dash or transpose of A, that is equals to first row change into column, that is 2, 3, 4. Second into second column, that is 1, minus 1, 2. And third in third column, that is 3, 2, 5. It is the transpose of A. Okay. So we have a result for A equals Aij of order m into n, where Ai is the position of element, then transpose of A is equals to Aj of order n into m, interchanging of rows and columns. Okay, clearly we have A21 is equals to A12 in A, and that is in transpose of A. See clearly in A21 is 1 and transpose of A12 is 1. Both are equal. Clear? Okay. Now let's see some properties of transpose of matrix. Properties of transpose of matrix. Let A and B be the two matrices. A and B be the two matrices. Then the first property is A dash whole dash transpose of A, okay, is equals to A. अगर हम डबल ट्रांसपोज निकालेंगे तो that is equals to A ही होगा. Okay. Second is if KA whole dash is equals to KA dash. Okay. KA का ट्रांसपोज निकालें, अदरवाइज ट्रांसपोज में K का मल्टीप्लाई करें, it is equal. Where K is a scalar. Okay. Next, third is A plus B whole dash is equals to transpose of A plus transpose of B. सम का ट्रांसपोज निकालें, अदरवाइज दोनों का निकाल के ऐड कर दें, इक्वल ही होगा. नेक्स्ट लास्ट इज transpose of AB is equals to B dash A dash. AB dash is equals to B dash A dash. Okay, clear? Okay, next see the next topic. Next is symmetric matrix. Let's see what is the symmetric matrix. If A is a square matrix, if A is a square matrix and A equals to A dash or A dash equals to A. If A is a square matrix and A dash equals to A, then A is called a symmetric matrix. Okay. When transpose of matrix is equal to that matrix, then this matrix is called a symmetric matrix. A dash equals to A. Okay. For example, let's see. We have a matrix A is equals to 1, -1, 5, -1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 3. So its transpose equals to रो को कॉलम में चेंज कर देंगे. So 1, -1, 5. Second row in second column, that is -1, 2, 1. Third row in third column, that is 5, 1, 3. It is a transpose of A. Clearly we can see A dash is equals to A. A dash equals to A. So here A is a symmetric matrix. A is a symmetric matrix. Okay. So A is a symmetric matrix, then we can see that Aij is equals to Aji. Okay. Aij is equals to Aji. Clear? ट्रांसपोज में जैसे अभी एलिमेंट्स हमने क्लियर किए थे. A21 is equals to A12. Okay. A32 is equals to A23. A31 is equals to A13. क्लियर है? दिस -1 ये कहाँ है आपका 2, 1 एंड इन A dash A12 is -1 is equal. Okay, clear? Now let's see the next. Next is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Simple है. If A is a square matrix, if A is a square matrix and A dash equals -A, transpose of is equals to negative of that matrix, then A is called a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Okay. When A dash equals to -A, then it is skew symmetric matrix. For example, let A equals to 0, 1, -1, -1, 0, 1, 1, -1, 0. Its transpose A dash is equals to first row change into first column, that is 0, 1, -1. Second into second column, that is -1, 0, 1. Third row into third column, that is 1, -1, 0. Clearly we can see that it is -0, 1, -1, -1, 0, 1, 1, -1, 0. That is A. So we can write as -A. Here A dash equals to -A. Transpose of A equals to negative of A. So A is a skew symmetric matrix. A is skew symmetric. Okay. For skew symmetric, we can conclude a result when Aji is equals to -Aij. It is in A dash, it is in A. Okay. because A dash equals to minus A. So AGI equals to minus AIJ. That is A11, A22, A33 को अगर हम conclude करते हैं, that is AII, diagonal elements. AII equals to minus AII. So AII plus AII equals to 0. That is 2AII is equals to 0. It means that AII equals to 0. It conclude that the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix, listen carefully, the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are 0. See clearly, these are the diagonal elements. Okay, diagonal is 0. Diagonal elements are 0 in skew symmetric matrix. Okay, now let's see the properties of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Properties of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Here we have three properties. Let's see the first. First property is, if we have A be a square matrix, A be a square matrix with real elements, A be a square matrix with real elements, then first property that it satisfied is A plus A dash is symmetric. A plus transpose of A is symmetric. Okay, and second is A minus transpose of A is skew symmetric. Okay, एक एग्जाम्पल से क्लियर करते हैं इसको. For first, let A equals to 3, 2, 5, 1, a square matrix of order 2 into 2. Then its transpose A dash is 3, 2, 5, 1. Rows को column में change कर दिया. Now, according to property, we have to find A plus A dash. A plus A dash. So 3, 5, 2, 1 plus 3, 2, 5, 1. On adding the corresponding elements, we have 3 plus 3, 6, for 2 plus 5, 7, 5 plus 2, 7, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. Let it be A plus A dash, let it be B matrix. Okay. It is equals to B. So, now transpose of B. For symmetric condition हमें transpose पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है. So, B dash is 6, 7, 7, 2. Clearly we can see that B is equals to B dash. B dash is equals to B. So, B is symmetric. Let's conclude that A plus A dash is symmetric. A plus A dash is symmetric. Okay. Let's see the next property. Next is A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Let A equals 3, 2, 5, 1 and its transpose A dash is equals to 3, 2, 5, 1. Now, A minus A dash is equals to 3, 5, 2, 1 minus A dash is 3, 2, 5, 1. On subtracting the corresponding elements, we have 3 minus 3, 0, 2 minus 5, minus 3, 5 minus 2, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, let it be C. A minus A dash is equals to C. Now, C dash is equals to 0, minus 3, 3, 0. That is equals to, minus common liya, that is 0, minus 3, 3, 0 is equals to minus C. Here we have C dash is equals to minus C. C dash equal minus C, that is C is skew symmetric. Okay, it means C is skew symmetric. That's we have A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Both properties are clear. A plus A dash is symmetric and A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Okay. Let's see the next property. Next third property is a square matrix. A square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. That is, A can be expressed as symmetric or skew symmetric. So we know that A plus A dash is symmetric and A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Okay. So half of A plus A dash must be symmetric and half of A minus A dash is skew symmetric. On adding, we have this property A is equals to half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash. Okay. क्लियर करते हैं इसको एक एग्जाम्पल से. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव A equals to 3, 2, 6, 1 and A dash transpose of A is equals to 3, 2, 6, 1. Interchanging the rows with the columns. Now A plus A dash is equals first value of A. ऐड करेंगे 3 plus 3 6, 2 plus 6 8, 6 plus 2 8 and 1 plus 1 2. Okay. And A minus A dash, subtracting the corresponding element, then 3 minus 3 0, 2 minus 6 minus 4, 6 minus 2 4 and 1 minus 1 0. Now half of A plus A dash, each element is divided by 2, that is 3, 4, 4, 1 divided by 2, so it is 1. Same, half of A minus A dash is equals to 0, minus 2, 2, 0. Okay. Now from the property, half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash is equals, put all the values, half of A plus A dash is 3, 4, 4, 1 and half of A minus A dash is equals to 0, 2, minus 2, 0. Now on adding the corresponding elements, we have 3 plus 0 3, 4 plus 2 6, 4 minus 2 2, 1 plus 0 1. Okay. It is equals to A. Clear? So we can see that A equals half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash. A can be expressed as the sum of symmetric or skew symmetric matrix, where A plus A dash is symmetric and A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Okay, clear? In next session, we will discuss the next exercise 3.3. Okay.